We're living in one of the most exciting eras for aerial imaging. Sensor tech, computational photography, and flight control AI have matured fast, and DJI has been both the loudest voice and the steady hand guiding that evolution. The Neo 2 represents something important. It's not just another incremental model. DJI designed it to be approachable and powerful at the same time. A drone that can be a daily tool for travel vloggers, a creative camera for indie filmmakers, and a training ground for pilots who will eventually graduate to heavier rigs. If you love the original Neo for being lightweight and friendly, think of the Neo 2 as the Neo on a design growth spurt. More refined hardware, improved gimbal and camera pipeline, deeper AI features for autonomous capture, and battery performance that actually supports a full creative shoot, not just a quick test flight. What's new versus the original Neo smarter AI flight modes? More reliable subject lock, cinematic curve paths, and prediction-assisted framing. Great for solo creators. Camera upgrades, better low-light performance, richer color pipelines, and cinematic frame options tailored for social and broadcast longer. Battery life and intelligent power management. Real-world endurance that supports longer sessions and multiple shots per flight, refined. Build, improved aerodynamics, quieter props, and durable materials that still keep the Neo 2 legal-friendly and travel-ready, balanced. Price to performance, aimed at creators who want pro features without stepping into flagship price. Territory, design and build, compact power with clever engineering from. The moment you unfold a Neo 2, it feels like a deliberate rethink of the compact drone category. DJI focused on ergonomics and portability, but without sacrificing the sort of durability we expect from the brand. The Neo 2's chassis is engineered to be lightweight, but resistant to the knocks that come with real-world shooting. Design highlights. Foldable arms that lock securely for fast setup. Quiet propellers and refined motor control for smoother audio capture near the drone. A modular mount architecture for future accessory add-ons. ND filter mounts. Dedicated mic booms or multi-battery adapters. Intuitive controller pairing and an onboard status ring that gives immediate feedback. Battery, GPS lock, and obstacle sensors, at a glance. The Neo 2 still feels small enough to throw in a backpack, yet it carries refined touches that make it feel like a proper creative tool, not just a toy. This balance is the core of its design appeal. Imaging and camera system, cinematic capture for everyday creators. If you care about content, the camera is the story. The Neo 2 pushes the accessible drone narrative forward with imaging improvements targeted at creators who want more cinematic capabilities without a learning curve. Key imaging features to highlight. Higher dynamic range and pro color profiles. Better highlight roll-off and shadow. Detail means you can grade wingspan shots without destroying skin tones. Improved sensor sensitivity for cleaner low light. And twilight filming, crucial for golden hour content. And urban night scenes, cinematic frame rates and codecs. Options for high bitrate 4K 60, 120 FPS slow motion for shorter bursts. And a log-like color profile for post-raw photo option for photographers who want maximum latitude in editing. Stabilized 3-axis gimbal tuned specifically for smooth pans, quick tilt moves, and sharp stills. We avoid heavy technical claims here. Instead, focus on how the camera impacts creative workflow, fewer retakes, more usable footage straight out of the drone, and a larger dynamic processing window for colorists. Flight performance and AI. The Neo 2's secret sauce, where the Neo 2 really aims to separate itself, is in its flight behavior. Expect DJI's latest flight control optimizations, combined with smarter AI tools that do more of the creative heavy lifting. AI and flight highlights, advanced subject tracking with prediction. Smoother following shots that anticipate subject motion. Cinematic path modes that draw smooth arcs and compound motion paths for dramatic reveals. Adaptive obstacle awareness. Sensors that read the environment and choose safe. Cinematic routes rather than abrupt stops. Smart return to home that remembers landing preferences and nearby safe zones. Precision. Hover and low latency controls to help beginners feel confident and pros to nail. Micro adjustments. The feeling in the air is of a drone that understands why you're trying to shoot something, not just where the pilot is steering. That's an important distinction for creators shooting solo. Battery life and real-world endurance. One of the biggest criticisms of compact drones is that you often get middling real-world flight time. And the Neo 2 addresses that head-on with smarter power management and efficient motors. Connectivity, controller, and the app experience. DJI's ecosystems are always judged by how well the aircraft, remote, and app work together. The Neo 2 makes the trio feel tighter. Connectivity highlights. Low latency video transmission for confident. Framing on mobile devices. A simplified remote controller with a built-in touchscreen option to keep controls uncluttered. App UI improvements that make pro features accessible. One-touch shots for cinematic reveals, easy color profile toggles, and preset scene modes for common setups. Smart. Syncing to cloud services or local storage for quick transfers after each session. This matters because your creative workflow is only as efficient as the weakest link, and the Neo 2 reduces friction at each step. Safety and regulations. Flying smart in 2025. DJI has focused heavily on compliance and user safety. The Neo 2 integrates features that help pilots abide by local rules and fly responsibly. Safety features. Geofencing and airspace awareness tools to warn users about restricted zones. Automated pre-flight checks that confirm GPS lock, compass calibration, and firmware status. Clear in-app prompts for altitude limits and suggested safe distances in populated areas. For creators who travel internationally, such safety and compliance features are a practical advantage, keeping flights legal and protecting you from avoidable incidents. Who the Neo 2 is for, use cases solo. Vloggers and travel creators. One-handed workflows, quick setup, and cinematic presets make it an ideal daily shooter. Indie filmmakers, the Neo 2's log-like profiles, and steady gimbal let creatives get pro-style shots on AI. Budget action sports creators. Advanced tracking and prediction help secure dynamic footage when you can't have a second operator. Landscape. And real estate shooters. Clean stabilization and HDR style capture help sell spaces with minimal. Post hobbyists and new pilots. Smart safety. Nets and simplified modes make learning easier while still scaling as skill improves. Accessories. And ecosystem. Get the most from Neo 2 good drones. Become great with the right accessories. For Neo 2, consider ND filter kits for proper exposure control in bright conditions, extra batteries, and a fast charger for longer shooting days. Sturdy travel case or backpack designed for foldable drones, optional. External mics and camera rigs to get better. Audio and multi-angle capture. Extended warranty and service packages. If you travel a lot, they can save time and money on repairs. Price and value. Is it worth upgrading or switching? Value is a combination of features, ease of use, and how it fits your workflow. The Neo 2's strategy is clear. Offer the kind of features that used to be for professionals only. Package them into a beginner-friendly shell, and price it competitively, so that creators don't have to justify ROI beyond how much better their footage looks. If you're upgrading from an older mini or mid-tier drone, you'll notice the differences in footage straight away. Cleaner low light, fewer stabilization artifacts, and more reliable follow shots. If you're choosing between a Neo 2 and a high-end flagship, consider whether you need the absolute best sensor or the convenience and AI-assisted features the Neo 2 prioritizes. Final verdict. Should you buy it? If you're a creator who values portability, consistent cinematic output, and AI tools that reduce the grind of single-operator shooting, the Neo 2 looks like a highly attractive option. It's engineered to give you pro-looking footage with fewer technical hurdles and a cost that sits below flagship systems, which makes it great for vloggers, travel creators, indie filmmakers, and first-time pilots who want room to grow. If your priority is the absolute largest sensor, interchangeable lenses, or payload flexibility for cinema-grade rigs, the Neo 2 may not replace high-end pro aerial systems, but for most creators, it's the sweet spot between capability and convenience.